Are looking very fresh. Check the color.
The sprinklers are working well. This uniform coverage is perfect. The saplings are thriving.
These seedlings look very healthy today. Yes, the morning light is perfect for them. Let's check the ones further along.
Careful with the seedlings, they bruise easily.
Yes, I've got them steady.
Good. Let's set them down here. The sensors show moisture is optimal here near the roots. Let's check the data. It's reading 22.5%. Perfect. This prevents root stress and promotes growth. A balanced approach. Let's check these leaves for pests. Good idea. I'll look at the underside. See these spots? Could be mites. Yes, and some yellowing. Let's tag it. Agreed. We need to treat this.
This large one is ripe. For the market row. Good. I'll start the small unripe ones here. And these medium ones can ripen a bit more.
Trim these lower leaves. They block the light. Yes, and remove this weak branch. Good. Now, check the fruit clusters. They look healthy. Look here, the soil is too dry and packed. Yes, the roots are struggling. I'll loosen it. Good. Now add some compost to help. Understood. That should strengthen the tree.
Look how the roots are spreading through the sand. Yes, they're quite strong. The leaves are a healthy green. Let's check this one. The stem feels sturdy. Agreed. It's ready.
This stem here is growing too long. It needs a clean cut. Agreed. I'll make the cut now to keep the fruit healthy. Steady now. We want a precise cut. Perfect. That's done. The mesh looks secure. Yes, no tears. Good. Let's check underneath. The fruits look healthy. Good. This will protect them.
Row 5, plant height is now 180 centimeters. Okay, and fruit count? 7 fruits, all healthy. Great. Leaf health looks good. Let's check the next row. These papayas are looking very fresh today. Yes, the rain was good for the harvest. Let's get them washed for the market. Almost done with this batch.
The growth rate is steady, but we need to optimize the water distribution. These charts show promised results from the new irrigation schedule. We can adjust the valves here to match the peak growth phase.
The sun is high. Let's get these to the shade. Yes, careful not to bruise them. This one feels right. Let's check the weight. Yes, it looks perfect. Go ahead. 1.25 kilograms. That's within spec. Good. I'll pack it. Logging the weight now.
Let's trim these to let the sun reach the fruit. Right, I'll cut this lower branch. There, much better exposure now.
Such a beautiful sunset after a long day. Yes, and the harvest is plentiful. Alhamdulillah. Let's rest now. Check the color. We need uniformity. This one is too green. Set it aside. Yes, this batch looks consistent. Agreed. Ready for shipping.
This one is secure now. Good. The sun is strong today. Yes, these will be protected.
The rows are ready. Let's begin. Careful with the roots.
The emitters here look fine, but check the pressure. I'll adjust this valve to increase the flow. Good. We must ensure the papayas get enough water. Yes, the leaves look healthy now.
The green ones are growing well. Let's check the count. I agree. The yield looks promising. Good. I'll note it down. I've marked the ripest ones here. Perfect. Let's move on.
The flow is good here. See? Yes, much better. The plants look healthy. Let's check the next ditch. Agreed. The levels are holding well.
Adjusting the speed for the next batch. Confirmed, quality looks good. Diverting the oversized ones now. Perfect, keep the flow steady.
The sun is too strong. We must cover the fruits now. Yes, let's pull it over from this side. Good. Now secure the edges so it doesn't blow away. Understood. That should protect them.
See this one? The skin has a small spots. Yes, I see. We should check the others. This one looks better. The skin is smoother. Good. Let's keep this one.
Look at the size of this farm. It stretches as far as the eye can see. The yield this year will be excellent. Indeed. Let's keep moving. The nitrogen levels are looking good here. Yes, and the pH is stable. I'll check the probes. Phosphorus is a bit low. We should adjust. Agreed. Let's check the other trees. Let's get these stakes in to protect the young plants. Understood. I'll start on this side. Be careful not to damage the stems. Good work. Let's check the next row. Check the pressure gauge. It's stable at 50 psi. Next, the flow valves. Looks clear. To the tractor. Right behind you. The roots here look healthy. Let's get a deeper sample. Okay, extracting now. Got it. This should be excellent. Let's label it and move to the next tree.
This one looks perfect for the records. Yes, and the coloring is uniform. I'm taking the shot now. Good. Let's check the next one. Documented. This batch is approved.
Let's check the traps. We need to control these pests. Yes, I see one here. Let's take a closer look. Quite a few caught. This is working. Good. We'll place more traps.
Hold the stem gently, like this. I see. Now for the soil. Pat it firmly, but not too hard. It looks strong. A good start.
The system is running efficiently today. Yes, the water distribution is even. Check the pressure on the emitters. It's holding steady. The plants look good. Excellent. Monitor for any dry spots.
This one is a good size and color. A few spots, but it's firm. Consistent with the others. A good batch. Pass that one up here. Here you go. I'll stack this one. Good. Keep them level. Next one coming.
These covers are holding up well. Yes, the mesh is breathable and secure. Let's check for any tears. Looks good. This batch is thriving.
Let's start with the seedlings. Document the leaf count. Yes, and the height. I'll get a photo. Good. Now the flowering plants. Note any bud clusters. Okay, logging the data. Moving to the fruiting stage. Check the fruit size.
This valve is stuck. Hand me the wrench. Here. Be careful, it's under pressure. It's loosening. Check the gauge. Pressure is stable. Good to go. All right, let's test it. Look at this harvest. Allah has truly blessed us. It's a true gift.
I am so proud of our work.
Indeed. Let us give thanks. May our future be as fruitful.